welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Police investigate barbaric attack on girl in Garo Hills. Former Shella MDC Tenuel Dikhar passes away. Accident on National Highway 40 leaves 2 vegetable vendors injured. And Multi-Stakeholder Symposium commemorates International Day Against Drug Abuse. And now the news in detail. A disturbing incident in West Garo Hills has sparked outrage and prompted swift action from authorities. Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chilani has directed a thorough investigation into the brutal assault of a young girl, resembling a Taliban-style punishment captured on a mobile phone video. The footage shows the girl being dragged by her hair while a group of men mercilessly beat her with bamboo sticks, reminiscent of archaic medieval practices or recent Taliban public punishments in troubled regions. Despite her pleas, bystanders, including women, reportedly goaded the attackers on, adding to the shocking nature of the scene. An elderly man attempted to intervene but was forcefully rebuffed. Allegedly, the assault was a punitive measure for the girl's relationship outside her village and community. Tenuel Dikhar, a prominent figure in Meghalaya politics and former MDC from Shella constituency, passed away on the morning of 26th June. Dikhar, who won the MDC seat 4 times, served as Chief Executive Member, Chairman and Leader of Opposition in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council during his tenure. His contributions to local governance are remembered as significant by the community and political circles alike. 2 vegetable vendors travelling from Laitlingkot to Panursla met with an unfortunate accident on National Highway 40 near Shillong, Dauki due to falling stones caused by heavy rain. The mishap occurred as they were en route to start their day, but their journey was abruptly halted. Emergency responders swiftly rushed the injured individuals to Laitlingkot Primary Health Centre PHC for immediate medical attention. The incident highlights the hazards posed by inclement weather on road safety in the region. Authorities have been alerted to ensure safety measures are reinforced along the highway to prevent such accidents in the future. The Department of Social Welfare Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Indian Drug Users Forum and Meghalaya Users Forum, convened a multi-stakeholder symposium in observance of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2024 at Vivanta, Shillong. Minister of Social Welfare Shri Paul Lyngdoh emphasized collective action in addressing drug trafficking and abuse, urging stakeholders to avoid blame games and instead focus on constructive solutions. The symposium aimed to foster dialogue among NGOs, faith leaders and government officials to strategize and combat these pressing societal issues effectively. It served as a platform to reaffirm commitment towards creating a drug-free environment and securing the future of Meghalaya's youth.
Under current framework of the VDP, we will also be accessing funding from the ministry, from Government of India, and we should be in a position to incentivize volunteers of these VDPs.
How much per person?
We will first go through the suggestions of the Varshnams and then come up with a figure with an amount. which will at least act as an incentive for them to come forward. And the one that we have at Maulai, the number of participants, around 30 of them, all of them also received training in various crafts and arts, which they learned in the course of their stay at the addiction camp. And today they all have been empowered one way or another with the training that they needed. Improve coordination and convergence between various government departments, that we created a mission called DREAM, which is led at the state level by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. DREAM involves the departments of social welfare, health, home police and education. So it is a collaborative effort meant to minimize any possible gaps in the functioning of various departments and to strengthen the collaboration between the various departments.
On 26 June, the Hneutrap Aceh National Movement (HANM), led by President Don Roy Ksiar, distributed 28 umbrellas to students of SSA Kejatlom Shami LP School in Ribhoi. Ksiar emphasized that these umbrellas would provide much-needed shade from heavy rain and sunlight during daily commutes. The school, accommodating students from nursery to class 5, faces immediate infrastructural needs such as lavatories, doors, windows, desks and benches. This initiative aims to alleviate some of the changes faced by both students and teachers, enhancing the learning environment at the school.
But hapo jong kini kisgi iladon iwi paranong song jongi ita IDI ban Christian Maring ibede Vice President jong ganang po circle lawan ban pia kana bagi haskol la banta kajikwa jong ki kum kidukhat berkaseng jong ka AHM kidikwa banwan ajing era ini dikena asengi bapiron ay kita gijing ay jong kum isyatri tingi penpau kajing snow comment that snow EP bang pidon kata kami sim ha kabab berkhalang dan bentar ki kena school jongi nama gun ki kena school jongi ki badan ha kani ka than kani ka dong ke jongi kimde ki kena ki babet ki babiang re ki ide ki kena ki badang don subun ki bawan na kalonging long sem ka baduna kumta ni penpau ka jiksu bagai ai kuble na ka bentar kani ka sing ke jongi ai kuble ro ringkat lembat baro ki dekat na benang kani ka por ke kani ka por kan ro
ni lawan hakni ke school berana irempo asnong mudi kay bapulong nakaliang kaseng kejongi ke cinem banjit ya kini school ban ai jingrap kadaw kolong ba aku swab ngiwan sabe kani area no po ibro way ngiwan pek malaki sinong kat kubiday ke area jokono po area adin bang jet ka school din bang nadip ban survey banjurip di school ngilap bagani ke school di ban kamba ban nino jingrap kat kum ke bor jang kaseng mar ke kadaw kolong bangi i kilong kmi long pa kilong ying babun ki ba duna habide pergi kun joki ki pak school sini hande ngi i lagjong ikmar ki kelong kena sudah ke badang red watang setri watang kejenkam jang school ro kedang nasibun ba reina kaliang kaseng ngimban se ngisim kwe.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in.